Hello everyone, my name is Bongani. I have created this short tutorial in order to assist those MMM members who wish to add the Bitcoin wallet and who doesn't know how to do that. So I chose to use Altcoin Trader because it is an easy platform to use when you buy or sell Bitcoins or withdraw cash after selling your Bitcoins. I like this platform because it is a South African brand, and I also use this platform when doing Bitcoin transactions. Okay, let's start. Firstly, you need to go to Google, type in Altcoin Trader, go search. This page will appear. Go to register now to start trading. You click that. This form will appear. So you fill in this form, username, type in your letters as they show you here. Type your email address, type your password, repeat your password, type your captcha text code, of which is this one, or in your case to be different. Then read the terms and conditions and click this small box when you accept the terms and conditions, and then you click register. So in this case, I've already registered at Altcoin Trader. So before, you need to write email address down and the password down, because you're going to need it when you're logging into Altcoin Trader. So let's go to login. You'll put that information, the email address and password, and you'll click login into your Altcoin Trader. And then this page will appear. Welcome Zulu Makeba, that is me. As you can see, my balance in Bitcoins is 0, Litecoin 0, ZAR 0, because I've used all of my Bitcoins to help in the MMM community. That's why I don't have any balance right now. So in your case, because you don't have a wallet, of which is almost similar to an account, in order to create your wallet, you go to deposit funds, /coins, click that. This page will appear. So when this page appears, it appears with a lot of banks, because you're going to need this when you're depositing the money into your account. Because in order for you to trade, buy Bitcoins, you need to have cash into your account. And then when you go down, there will be an option here to say create a wallet. When you click that button that says create a wallet, the system will create your wallet, your unique wallet. It will be something similar to this. Okay. So when you've done that, don't forget, this is very important, guys, the reference number. So whenever you deposit cash into, let's say, Absa or Standard Bank, you'll put in the account number, everything. Don't forget the reference number. It will be a unique number, something similar to this one of mine, but you'll have your own number. Then you'll have, after that, you'll have your balance here. If you've done everything correctly, you'll have your balance. Then you can start trading. You can buy Bitcoins and sell Bitcoins. You can buy Bitcoins because you wouldn't have Bitcoins. So when you want to buy Bitcoins, let's say you deposit 2,000 here. 2,000 will appear here. Then now you want to buy Bitcoins. You can grab your pocket calculator, check your Bitcoin value. Let's see, in this case it's 8,669. So in this platform, you'll type in with your pocket calculator, say 2,000 divided by this amount. It will give you the Bitcoins that you're going to get. And then we'll click buy when you're done. So you will appear, your name will appear here. You will appear here as a person who wants to buy Bitcoins as well, of the value of 2,000, for an example. So let's go back to the wallet, because that wallet is very important. We are going to use it in MMM. So now, let's say you want to add the wallet into your MMM account. This is your wallet, right? So go to your personal office account. I've already logged in here. Okay, let's see. Go to your personal office, go to accounts, go to add an account. This page will appear as if you are adding an account. But now the difference now is that you are not adding a bank account, you are adding a wallet. So you'll select BTC here in the bank identifier code. Select here BTC. So the system will erase all the unnecessary things to leave you with this 1 and 2 to fill. So go back to your Altcoin Trader. You highlight and copy this wallet of yours. You say copy this wallet, go back to your personal office, come here to the first one, you paste this here, to the second one, you paste this there. Then after this, in this case, this member I've got Google Authenticator, of which it is a secondary security code. After then, in your case, you won't have this Google Authenticator. You just click save. So now you've added your Bitcoin wallet into your MMM account. So what is so good about having this account is that it is to play with Bitcoins. Actually, the system is giving you, instead of 30%, the system is giving you 50% a month. So if you play with Bitcoins, you make a lot of money. So guys, yeah, this is the way how to add the wallet into your MMM account. So let us say now you PH'd with your Bitcoins, and then they paid, because when they pay, they'll pay into this account. So your Bitcoins will appear here, where there's 00 here. You have a balance of Bitcoins amount that is after maturity in your MMM account. So now you want to withdraw the Bitcoins. Firstly, you'll come back to trade as well. Go to trade, because you do have Bitcoins now. Want to convert your Bitcoins into cash. What is so interesting about this now is that, as you see here, the value of Bitcoin 8668. Because you will have Bitcoin balance there, you are going to sell your Bitcoins at any value that you wish. So let's say you have 2 Bitcoins there, an amount of Bitcoins to sell, you type in 2, if there's 2 bitcoins, because the Bitcoin value right now is 88668. So if you have 2 bitcoins, that means you have 17,000 plus. So you'll type in there how many bitcoins are selling to, at what amount. You can change this to any amount that you want to sell it. And you can type in, we're selling your bitcoins 8,700. There are no restrictions. So this is the money that we're going to get. And we go to sell bitcoins. So immediately when someone buys your bitcoins, you will have your rands balance here. You will have your rands balance, and now you want to withdraw this rand balance into your bank account now. So what you need to do, you go to your, let's see if the system is responding. You'll have to wait, the system is a bit slow. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay. Now here, let's say in my case, you want to withdraw. You need to fill in this information in your withdrawals. It's here. You type in this one, withdraw funds /coins. This page will appear. Here, type the bank that you want to. Bank account holder. Account holder. It's, in this case, I'll say it's me, Bohani. And then here, bank. Maybe it's FNB South Africa, or let's say it's Capitec. Then you type in the account type, savings. Let's say savings. Here you type in your account number, 1145892282 or something. Then you update. These are the information that the system wants. Then when you withdraw your cash from the system will deposit your cash into this account. I'm sure that is quite simple, guys, for you to understand. Okay, lastly then, for more information, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp, or if you're confused about something, you can contact me. Okay, thank you very much, guys. I hope this tutorial will assist you to be able to create your wallet. Okay, thank you very much.